Pinterest gave an idea, and AI created the animation, and finally we used Gemini 3.5 Flash to build the entire website. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step way of how I built this futuristic landing page using Gemini 3.5 Flash. Let's go. First, we're gonna find inspiration from Pinterest. There you can find futuristic concepts, visual ideas, mood boards, everything to find inspirations. Second, we're gonna create the start and end frame using Flow, and then we're gonna use the same flow to create the animation. And then after that, the first step is creating the front end, and we're gonna be using Google AI Studio, where we're gonna use the model of Gemini 3.5 Flash. After that, we're gonna move the entire code to our Antigravity. Then we're gonna create the image sequence, and after converting the animation to image sequence, we're gonna add that image sequence to our hero section. So let's start with first step. So before building the front end, we need to find an idea, an inspiration to create the animation for. So here I'm in Pinterest to find that inspiration, and Pinterest is the best place to find inspiration, ideas, anything you want. Here I'm gonna just search here futuristic, and there you're gonna find a lot of images. So everything gonna be a 10 out of 10, but you need to find that one thing that clicks to create the animation. Let's just scroll and find something. So after scrolling a bit, I found this image. So I'm gonna create animation using this particular image. I'm gonna just download it, download image. To create the start frame and end frame, I'm gonna be using the Google Flow. Here, start a new project, then add the reference image we had downloaded from Pinterest, and then I'm gonna just paste the prompt right over here. Add to the prompt. Make sure it's in wide. We need X4. Choose Maneuver Pro, and then enter. And just like that, we have created the start frame. So here I'm gonna be downloading this one, and it's on the right side of the screen, so that we can add text over here. And I'm gonna just download in 2K. Now let's paste a end frame prompt here, and then add this downloader reference. Paste the end frame prompt, add the reference we had downloaded, add to prompt, and then I'm gonna just enter. Okay, now we got a glowing end frame, and here I'm gonna just download, wait, this is more glowing, so I'm gonna just download this one. Okay, just like that, we got the start frame and end frame. Now let's create the animation. For the animation, I'm gonna add the start frame and end frame. For that, turn this to video mode, and then we need to convert the frame to start frame to end frame. So that's why I'm converted to frames. And here I'm gonna add the start frame, added. Let's add the end frame, added. And now let's paste the prompt. Just convert this to we want only 2 videos, okay, and it's take about 40 credits, and I'm gonna just enter. Okay, now let's play the animation. So I'm gonna start from this. The head is moving, and here are eyes, and it's pretty cool. I mean, decent one. Now let's play this one. The light is just come over here and charging and turning his head around. That's pretty cool too. There is smoke on his side. Wait, what about this one? There is no smoke, but just yeah, there is also smoke but lights. Okay, now let's download this one because I like it better, because I don't want the electric charge light here. I'm gonna just download this, and I'm gonna download in 720p here because I am not using a pro version. Make sure you have a pro version to download in 4K. Download, and now we got our animation. Next, all we need to do is create the front end. Okay, now let's create the front end using Gemini. I'm gonna be using the Gemini 3.5 Flash, and here I'm gonna just paste a prompt here and also a markdown file as an attachment. Let's contain the implementation plan. You can find all the assets I'm using in the description. You can find a link where you can download the Notion template. And after that, I'm gonna just build. Just like that, we built the front end using Gemini 3.5 Flash. First, I'm gonna show you there's a hero section that's totally empty. This is where we're gonna add the animation. And when we scroll down, here you can see some text and some sections around it. And then there is capabilities and system design section. And then there is methodology. I can see how things are working here, and this is really cool. I mean, interactive feature, the glowing feature, I mean. And then there is next section, which is how the philosophical anchor. There is some cards to see. This whole front end looks really good and clean. Now all we need to do is download this whole code and then add the animation, and we're gonna be using the same Gemini 3.5 Flash that is in Antigravity. And go to share. You can see the GitHub option and add the repo name and description, and then create the GitHub repository. And just like that, we got all the code. I'm gonna just download this whole code zip file. Like, we didn't convert that video animation we created to our image sequence. I'm gonna use the isGIF upload, then upload the video, scroll down, increase the frame rate to 30, and then convert to JPG. Then after it done, download in zip file. Then convert the zip file into normal file, both the code and our image sequence, and then add to Antigravity and place this image sequence to our assets or create a public folder and add there. And after that, we're gonna create the animation. Okay, it's all loaded. Now let's download in zip file. Good, all good, it's downloading. Okay, now we are in Antigravity IDE, and here open the folder, and this folder contains every code, and I'm gonna select it, and we have added all the file. So inside the assets folder there is a robot animation folder. There you can find all the image sequence we have created, and all we need to do is add that animation to our hero section. I have already created a prompt for that. I'm gonna just paste it, and this is the prompt, and here I'm gonna do one thing, add robo animation, and select that, and we have attached that here so that you can go through faster. Enter. We had some issues with the hero section, but we have fixed it using anti-gravity. Simple. The result is came out fine, but it's not full screen yet. Let's fix that too. And just like that, we have fixed it. As you can see, it's in full view. Now I'm adding some text on the hero section. We have some space here, right? So I'm gonna just fill it up. Okay, on the left side, we have added the text finally, and it's all done. And the animation look clean. And the text gonna change in every 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna just scroll and look if everything is working normal. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah, that's it. Everything works perfect. Okay, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.